got a new toy. It's go time. Looks like Santa has been good to me this Christmas. Well, I really shouldn't say Santa. I should really say my dad. As you can see, this was wrapped underneath the tree, and I was told that the big Christmas present was mine. So when I finally started unwrapping it, I could just tell by the black and the white. I seen when you go to Home Depot or the stores how the box looks. I automatically knew what it was, and it's just so awesome. I've always wanted a Weber Original Kettle, but never decided to buy one since I've already had 2 pits already. So it's awesome that I have this right now. So what I'm gonna do is unbox it and put it together. Just wanna say thank you, Dad. Love you. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Looks like here's the assembly guide. Then you have the Weber owner's guide. We'll put it to the side. And here's your top lid. And just from looking over it, it's in pretty good shape, no dents or anything like that. You know how sometimes they'll come packaged and there'll be dents. So let's remove this top right here. And here's the bottom for catch your charcoal. Here's your bottom piece. Yeah. Looks in good condition. Put it to the side. Here we have your 3 legs. The handle, top handle, to your lid and to the side of your pit. Your cooking grate. Nice. And your charcoal grate. Oily. And now your 2 Weber wheels. Look at that. And the bottom is actually thing to put whatever you want, charcoal, wood. So now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it. All right, let's get to it. Let the assembly begin. I'm gonna put the clip on. You're gonna squeeze it. Just as so. Now we're going to stick it in here. Now let's get one of these Weber wheels. Stick it in there. And then your cap, which goes on at this end. But what you need to do is actually tap it in. Just like that. And just repeat on the other side. And now comes the legs. And I've seen on YouTube other YouTubers assembling their Weber kettles, and some of them had trouble because in the manual you're supposed to place the clip in like that, which then you place the leg over it and the leg clips in to the hole. But some YouTubers are having trouble assembling it that way, as when they stuck it in there and they pressed the button, and it was hard to wiggle it in. So a lot of them would just stick it actually into the pipe. As so, and then stick it in there and then press the button and wiggle it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and see how it goes with the manual way I'm doing it. And so I'm gonna place the clip in, get my leg, stick it in there as so. Wiggle it down. Just like that. See how it clipped in? Yeah, that's real good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Right back. I got the other leg in, so now I'm gonna turn it around and do the final third leg. Just like this. Just like the others, I'm gonna try it again. Like that. Move around and voila. Like that. So I don't know why other YouTubers, I was watching their videos and they were having trouble getting the legs in, as it says on the assembly guide, but it wasn't that hard at all on this kettle. Maybe, I don't know, just something different, I guess, but let's go ahead and continue on. This is what it looks like with all 3 legs in. Your Weber wheels. That's so. All right, let's move on. Let's put on the Weber handle. So let's go ahead and flip around like that. That one on. Skip the other one. Alright, all done on this lid right here. Alright, the assembly is almost complete. Now just gotta go in, put in the handles for right here. So make sure that's on there. Stuff your Phillips, your screw. Tighten on there. And that's that. Weber. Alright, the final piece, the lid. Now, it's done. Beautiful. Look how it shines in the sun. Well, there it is. The Weber Original Kettle Grill. All I have to say, it is beautiful. From top to bottom. Beautiful design. I'm just reading on reviews and YouTube, watching YouTube videos. Quality of it, they can't be matched. There's the lid. Now what I'm going to do, my first purchases are going to be the Weber charcoal baskets. I will purchase those because I like the idea of using them either for direct or indirect cooking. and the cooking grate. I will get the one with the hinges. Makes it a lot easier to reapply your charcoal. So those will be my first two purchases. Other than that, I'm not sure what else I will be buying. I know that this right here is under warranty up to 10 years on different products on here, but I mean, I know it doesn't come with a thermostat or anything like that, but I do have a wired thermostat, so that's what I'll be using when I'm cooking, just like when I cook on my Oklahoma Joe or my char griller. You know, it's no issue like that. So that's what I'll be using to find out the internal temperature of my meat and also of my grate level on what the temperature it is as well. But other than that, I really don't want to fool with it with any mods or anything like that. I think it's just from watching videos and how people describe how their kettles are, it's like really nothing you can do. I mean, it's just so perfect. But there are other products you can buy. I know the Slow and Sear, other things like that, and maybe I'll get into that. But for right now, I just want to cook on it and have my fun with it, get used to it, and then from there I'll roll and see what else I can get for it. But this is it, folks. I'm not sure when I'm going to be cooking on it. Maybe in a couple of days, but when I do, you know for sure, I'll post that video. Until then, cheers to you. Have a good one.